Welcome to today's That's Amore Cheese Report. My name is Giorgio Linguanti, and today we talk about the caciottas. The caciottas practically they are fresh cheeses made with cow's milk or buffalo milk. Some people know that these are like a fresh pecorino, but the pecorino in Italy is just made with sheep milk. So the real proper name is caciotta. And today we have highlighted the chili caciotta, where our chef Dario will prepare for us in a special recipe.
Thanks, Giorgio. For my next recipe, I'm gonna use the chili caciotta. Caciotta is a cow cheese semi-hard with a beautiful hint of chili. The first thing I'm gonna do is open it up. I'm gonna dry all the little bit of excess water. I'm gonna pair the caciotta with some beautiful sliced zucchini. I'm gonna try to lay it as flat as I can, so I can make some beautiful ribbon out of them. I'm gonna use some oil and just a touch of salt. The salt we're gonna use it's just gonna help to break it down, and a little bit of balsamic, just to add the extra touch, and some celery. And I'm gonna use as well some fennel and just let it sit there for a little while. I'm gonna cut the caciotta in small pieces. I just wanna have the full flavor and make sure that I can have a nice bite out of it. So it is a quite chunky salad, but I guess that's the way it should be. To plate it up, as I said before, I want beautiful ribbons and just try to curve them. You don't have to be too precise. Just place your fennel. And of course, our caciotta. I'm gonna use some beautiful flour just to give some extra color. And just some extra olive oil. And this is my caciotta dish. Serena, you are a chili lover. Come and try this caciotta. So we have some beautiful zucchini, some fennel. They just cut through the chili of the caciotta. What do you reckon?
Perfetta.
Back to you, Giorgio.
Thanks, Dario. You always surprise me with your ideas. And thank you guys for staying with us. And this is That's Amore Cheese Report. See you next time.